In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert from language to math using one of the most important, most common phrases, the phrase percent more than. In this case, the phrase 5% more than. Let's start off with the phrase 5% more than M. That is 1.05 times M. If you don't already understand that, if you don't understand that idea, let your teacher know we're going to need to do a little bit more work on just percentages, percent more or less, language to math. If you get that, awesome. Now the question is, how are we going to do just 5% more than? So not 5% more than M, just 5% more than. See, I deleted the M from that top line. We're going to just do the same thing on this line. We're going to delete the M. 5% more than is just 1.05 times. Now you might say, well, that's not really a complete mathematical statement. Good, it's not supposed to be, because 5% more than is not a complete English statement. The incomplete English statement leads to an incomplete math statement. So if you want to do 5% more than, that's just 1.05 times. It's incomplete because the original English statement is incomplete. Now, how about something like 5% less than? Well, that I'm going to let you guys figure out.